How to delete friends on the Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can remove the Snapchat friends. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. So now once you are in here you have to go on the chat section. Now once you are in here, basically there is two methods to remove your friends. Now the one is you have to just open up the chat, and what you have to do is click on the person profile that you want to remove. So now once you are in, as you can see that here in the top right corner there is the three dots, you have to click on it, and from here you just have to go on the manage friendship, and as you can see that here is the option of the remove friend, you have to click on it, and here is the confirmation that are you sure you want to remove etc as a friend, and here you just have to click on the remove and you are able to remove your friend. Now the easiest way what you have to do is simply go back, and what you have to do is select the friend that you want to remove, and you have to simply press on their chat, and as you can see that here is the option of the manage friendship, you just have to click on it, and here is the option of the remove friend. Now there is the confirmation to remove the friend, you just have to click on the remove, and you are able to delete and remove your Snapchat friends. So that's how you can delete your friends on the Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.